welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my nails at home using the Apres Kit. So this is going to be a mini review. This cute sleek silk bag, and then this cute little storage bag storage case to put everything on it. And look at how cute the little logos to open it. So here's everything that you need to create the most amazing nails, girls. And it has like numbers, which one goes first, and that your instructions, make sure you read them, and then your little charger for your light. So everything is right here. And then you also get a nail filer, which is 100 and 180, which I have no clue what that means because I'm not a nail person. And this little mouse pad, isn't it so cute? A little mouse pad, but it's an LED light. I had trouble using this. I feel like they should redo this style, but I found a way how to do it. I'm going to show you. And then I picked the natural square medium nails. Next time I'm going to get the coffin shape. 500 nails in here, and it also has the number on the nail and also on the box. With your nails nice and prepped, cut the cuticle and all that, the first thing I did was apply the pH bonder, which is the number 1. I love that it has the steps, and the number 2 is the primer, and you just want to apply it all over your nail. And then number 3 is the extend gel. You just want to apply a thin layer. It's really thick, I feel, but I think that's good. So a thin layer, and you want to cure that under the little lamp. So you want to press it for a while till it turns on. It'll blink 3 times, and then you press it again, and that's when you cure it. Telling you guys, here's the number of the nails, 1 through number 9. It doesn't include the 00. So I am just measuring them. As you can see, it has a number. I am measuring them to make sure that they fit my side walls of my nails, and to file the whole nail. And when you do the whole nail is because you are going to encapsulate the nail, which you're going to add like flowers or glitter. If not, then just file the part of your nail bit. So I'm doing the whole nail because I'm going to add glitter. Grabbing my extend gel, I'm going to apply it through the whole nail. You can just do half. I just did the whole nail, and then apply this glitter from NYX. This NYX glitter, I barely opened it, but it's so freaking old. I think I got it when I was in the NYX Face Awards, and I love the way that it sprinkles like a salt shaker. So I'm just going to do this on the tip of the nail, making sure that it's fully coated. Just do whatever you want, girl. You can even mix whatever. You can put flower petals here, stars. I wanted to do glitter. Then I took the nail and turned on my little lamp to cure the glitter to make sure that it stays on there. After you cure, you want to take a little bit more of that gel and apply it on the nail bit. Not that much. For me, it was not that much because my nail bits are so tiny, and you want to press it gently, making sure there's no bubbles. And you see right here when I'm about to put it on the light, it's so hard to do this. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do like this, but no, I'm like, I'm just gonna flip it and see what happens. And by flipping it, it worked really good. I feel like the Kira Kit one also has a light that is like that, like up. So I'm like, they should just come up with a different design, you know? And it worked really good. It worked good just by flipping it and just having my nail close to the light, because I mean, all you need is the LED light. So it worked really good. And at the end, I just cured them all by putting the light down and curing all the nails again. The top gel coat, which is a non-wipe. You don't need no alcohol, girl. I feel like when you put alcohol, it just dries your nails. So you want to put it on top of your nails and under your glitter, so they can also be nice and glossy and not dual, and just cure them under the light. To me, this kit was a little bit pricey, which is $142 at total, but it was worth it because there's 500 nails. You can do it at your own home. It does not stink at all. They do last, and I mean, you save money. You save more money doing this than going to the nail salon. I mean, if it's you that you love to go to the nail salon and get pampered, then that's you, you know? But I like to do it myself, and this is my first time trying it, girl, and they came out really bomb. So imagine if I keep practicing. So I hope you guys love this video and I hope it was helpful to you guys. I cannot wait to try the Kira one. I really want to get that one. So if you guys love this nails and love this video, give this a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys on my next one. Oh, don't forget to comment if you guys have tried this kit. Bye guys.